Welcome back, Apple enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into something we know you've been waiting for, iOS 18. In this video, we're going to cover which iPhones and iPads will be compatible with iOS 18 and what exciting new features are coming your way. Trust me, you won't want to miss a thing. Get ready for iOS 18. Which iPhones and iPads support iOS 18? Let's get straight to it. iOS 18 is expected to be one of the most innovative updates we've seen from Apple in years. But the big question is, will your device support it? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk iPhones. The following models are confirmed to support iOS 18: iPhone 14 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 11 series, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, and iPhone SE 3rd generation. That's right, everything from the iPhone XS and XR all the way up to the latest iPhone 14 series will be fully compatible with iOS 18. Unfortunately, older models like the iPhone 8 and iPhone X are no longer on the list, marking the end of their iOS update journey. Now onto the iPads. iOS 18 is not just for iPhones, it's also coming to a range of iPads. If you've got any of these models, you're in luck. iPad Pro 2021 and newer, iPad Air 4th generation and newer, iPad Mini 6th generation and iPad 9th generation and newer. The latest iPad Pro models, the iPad Air from 2020 and beyond, and even the 6th generation iPad Mini are all in the lineup. These devices are about to get a major boost with this update. Now let's talk about features. Apple is going all out with iOS 18. From redesigned widgets that give you more control over your home screen, to a brand new multi-window mode that will let you run apps side by side like never before, the new iOS is focused on making multitasking a breeze. Whether you're working or just want to multitask between social media and streaming, iOS 18's multi-window mode is a game changer, especially on larger devices like the iPhone 14 Pro Max or iPads. And speaking of improvements, Siri is also getting a major upgrade. Apple is integrating advanced AI into Siri to make it more conversational and context-aware. You can expect smarter responses, better task automation, and deeper integration with third-party apps. Now let's talk about photography. We all know Apple's cameras are among the best, but iOS 18 is introducing new photo and video editing features. The AI behind the camera will automatically optimize your images for lighting, contrast, and depth, making sure you always get that perfect shot, no extra apps needed. Privacy is also a huge focus with iOS 18. Apple is doubling down on security, adding even more features to protect your data. App permissions will now be even more transparent, and there are new settings that let you control which apps can track your activity. For those who care about their digital footprint, this is massive. So, when can you get your hands on iOS 18? While the official release is still a few months away, we're expecting to see the first public beta drop very soon. For those who love to be ahead of the curve, keep an eye on Apple's beta program for early access. The official release will likely be sometime this fall, right around the launch of the next iPhone model, and trust me, the wait will be worth it. So to recap, if you've got an iPhone XS or newer or an iPad Pro, Air, Mini, or 9th Gen iPad, you're all set for iOS 18. You'll enjoy new widgets, advanced multitasking, smarter Siri, improved photo editing, and top-notch privacy features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're the first to know about the latest Apple updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.